Any characteristic of an organism, trait. In science, a trait is a specific characteristic or feature of an organism, like eye color or height. Imagine you're picking out clothes for a day that includes work, a casual dinner, and perhaps a gym session. Just as you choose different clothes for each occasion based on their suitability and functionality, organisms have traits, specific characteristics like fur color, beak shape, or enzyme function that suit their particular needs and environments. Just as the right outfit helps you navigate diverse social settings comfortably, traits help organisms survive and thrive in their unique habitats, with each trait comparable to a piece of clothing that serves a specific purpose. The stages of growth in an organism's life. Life cycle. A life cycle is the series of stages an organism goes through from birth to death. Imagine planting and nurturing a garden where each plant needs time and care to blossom fully. This process is remarkably similar to the stages of growth in an organism's life, where each stage requires specific conditions and nurturing to progress to the next. Just like a seed germinates, sprouts, grows leaves, flowers, and finally bears fruit, an organism's life cycle involves stages such as birth, growth, maturity, reproduction, and eventually death, each needing unique conditions and support to thrive. Changes in form as an animal becomes an adult. Metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is a biological process where an animal undergoes a significant transformation in its body structure as it develops from a juvenile to an adult. Picture the experience of renovating a house. It starts as a chaotic mess, with walls being knocked down, rooms being gutted, and dust everywhere. This transformation process in a home is much like the metamorphosis an animal undergoes as it grows from a larva into an adult, changing its form entirely. Just as a house needs to go through phases of demolition, reconstruction, and decoration to become a polished home, an animal like a butterfly transitions through stages like a caterpillar to a chrysalis to emerge as a completely different adult form, showcasing its final, mature version. How long an organism can be expected to live. Lifespan. Lifespan is the average length of time an organism is expected to live based on its species. Imagine trying to predict how long your smartphone battery will last on a single charge. Just like estimating your phone's battery life depends on various factors such as usage, apps running, and battery health, predicting an organism's lifespan involves considering genetics, environmental influences, and lifestyle choices. In both cases, whether it's a battery or a living being, there are multiple variables at play that can either extend or shorten their expected duration of functioning, highlighting the complexity of forecasting longevity for both technological devices and biological entities. The passing of traits from parent to offspring. Heredity. Heredity is how characteristics are passed down from parents to their children through genes. Imagine trying to transfer all of your favorite apps, settings, and contacts from an old phone to a new one. This process is akin to how heredity works, where biological information is passed from parents to offspring. Just as the old phone transfers its data to the new phone, ensuring that the new phone inherits the same apps and settings, parents pass on genetic information to their children, resulting in shared traits and characteristics. The process of making offspring reproduction. Reproduction is how living organisms create new individuals of their species. Imagine trying to bake a cake without a recipe. Just as you need a list of steps and ingredients to successfully recreate your favorite cake, organisms use DNA instructions to produce offspring. In this analogy, the recipe represents the genetic information passed from parents to offspring. The ingredients are the genetic materials like genes and chromosomes, and the final cake is the new organism, illustrating how reproduction is the biological process of following a genetic recipe to create new life.